Hi again. I just wanted to give you a tour of my, I don't know, first aid, I guess you can call it, drawer, because I've decided that I needed to have one on hand due to all this COVID-19 stuff, and you never really know, you know, if things are going to be out at the stores, if some stores will need to be closed and you won't be able to have access to certain things. So it's better to kind of have these things on hand now just in case. It's better to be safe than sorry. So some of the things that I have in here, first and foremost, is I have hydrogen peroxide, and that's really good for cleaning. It's also good for wounds, um, and things like that. Right beside it, we have rubbing alcohol, which is also very good, for sanitizing wounds, etc. I have them also in the spray, and I was able to get these at the dollar store, so they're pretty low cost. And in addition to the alcohol, I also have some aloe vera gel right here. There are lots of videos that outline how to use the rubbing alcohol and the aloe vera gel if your stores are out of hand sanitizer. The other thing that I have in here is the sanitizer wipes, and these are really good, to wipe down. They're saying for your hands, but I also use it to wipe down doorknobs and things like that. Or if I have anything, let's say I'm out at the store and I get something, I need to use it, then I can use this to wipe it down. I do have some that I take with me on the go. Other things that I have in here, and these are things that surprisingly are at the Dollar Tree, cheap as ever, and you can just use them, just in case you need them. Some of the things I have, the baby's choice, and it is a wipes, but you can also add things like the alcohol on it, and use it, for disinfecting or whatever it is you need to do. I was also able to pick up a lot of like bandages and things like their band-aids, um, cotton pads that you can also use with the alcohol wipes as well too. Some more band-aids, and even things like elbow and knee supports, and elastic bandages. And I thought, wow, that is really cheap, because in other stores you would have to pay, a considerable amount of money for these things. Now, I don't know if they're actually good quality or not, but I thought, what, can't hurt to buy that. Some of the other things I have in here, or the other thing that I have in here, is uh, allergy medication. And I think if you have allergies, it's a very good idea to take your medication before you go to the store, because people will not be receptive if you're sneezing and blowing your nose while you're in a lineup. They're going to think that you have COVID-19 or something. So to save yourself and them the agony, it's advisable to take your allergy medication. Finally, the last thing that I have in here that I have not shown is the zinc oxide cream. And no, I don't have any kids or babies, but this is really good for eczema or any kind of skin irritations. So pretty much just wanted to share with you my little first aid cabinet. And also, yes, I do have some Kleenexes that can be used for, various needs. So thank you, and just giving you some ideas, maybe to get you thinking about what you need to have in your drawer or your first aid cabinet. Thank you. Bye.